I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming both devices share the same Wi-Fi network. This ensures a direct AirPlay handshake. Next, make sure your smart TV's AirPlay or screen mirroring feature is enabled in settings. Some TVs require turning on AirPlay explicitly. Once done, grab your iPhone, swipe down or up depending on model to open Control Center, then tap Screen Mirroring. You'll see available devices. Pick the TV name. You do this now to establish the local connection before fine adjustments. After selecting the TV, you may be asked to enter the 4-digit AirPlay code shown on the TV. Enter it on your iPhone to authorize the link and prevent accidental connections. Next, decide whether to mirror the whole screen or stream a single app. Select mirroring for full display or app casting for video-only output, and rotate the phone if needed to match TV orientation. To improve responsiveness, make sure bandwidth-heavy tasks are paused on both devices. This reduces lag and stabilizes video quality. To finish, open Control Center and tap Stop Mirroring, or use the AirPlay control inside the app you're casting from. This cleanly ends the session. While mirroring, use the iPhone volume and TV volume together for balanced audio, and make small orientation or brightness adjustments on the phone for best picture. If things go wrong, try one key troubleshooting move first. Restart your router, TV, and iPhone in that order to clear network or handshake glitches before deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.